Hi to everyone, and welcome to this brief introduction of our latest paper titled Thermal Digital Twin of a Multi-Domain System for Discovering Mechanical Faulty Behaviors. The work presented in this article has been developed in the context of ICE Laboratory of the University of Verona. In this laboratory, a reconfigurable production line was built to realize a proper smart factory. As you can see, in the laboratory, heterogeneous machine has been setted and connected among each others. These machines are industrial cyber-physical systems, and in the context of a smart factory, the safety topic among them is very critical. In fact, in case of errors of the functionality, this system can become dangerous not only for the people or the other objects around the factory, but also for themselves. So monitoring the health conditions of such machines is critical for ensuring the functional safety of all the factory. In the paper, we took as an example an electrical motor, which is the key component of lots of cyber-physical systems in a smart factory, such as the ICE lab. The component may encounter some problems during its operational period. Through the fault injection process, we are able to mimic these fault scenarios by editing the behavior of the system based on the many fault models. The simulation of the cyber-physical systems is very useful to understand how, when, and why a fault could occur. Let us now look at some simulation results of this approach. First, we are going to simulate the fault-free version of the multi-domain model of our motor, built using Verilog AMS. We are feeding it with 4 different steps of current. The first wave we are going to see is the angular velocity of the motor. Then we have the motor temperature and the temperature of the motor transmission gear at the bottom. Let us now focus to the faulty simulation of the model. We are simulating the same model but with a mechanical resistance on the rotation of the motor. We can immediately notice how the motor, fed by the same input, rotates slower. The temperature of the motor itself increases due to the friction, and so the gear one. This was only a quick example of the kind of simulations presented in the paper, where you can find more of the faulty scenarios. Thanks to IEEE IES SYPA for this opportunity.